So this brings me to like, should we like move back to Jamaica when everything cool down, like everything settled down? Like, should we just stay in Jamaica and live in Jamaica? Wagwan subbies! Back with a new video for you guys right now. You know I'm Chaddy.
And I'm Danny.
You know we're here for a good time.
And a long time.
And a long time. You know we're here for a good time.
And a long time.
You don't know, before we get started in this video, guys, go ahead and smash the like button, comment down below notifications, notification Jamaica, notification boom bam bang, because this video is all about Jamaica today, guys. We have to talk about how much we miss Jamaica right now,
especially after Easter weekend, having like the fried fish and the festival and the bami and everything Jamaican.
We're going through a sad moment, guys. Like, we're supposed to go to Jamaica next month. We already had it planned, so we're set in stone that we're going there. We're going for a wedding.
We even bought Chase's shirt, like his island shirt. You know those shirts that the people wear, the tourists wear. Which we probably bought to earlier, because guess what happened? He outgrew it already. Yeah, and we have it in the closet, so now it's just memorabilia. Yeah, so the whole time I've been thinking about, guys, like last night I actually slept, woke up, and I swear I was at Jamaica. In my dreams, guys, I've been thinking about Jamaica a lot, guys. Yeah. The smell of hell alone, like me just want to get out of the smell, like, brother. Like me, I think about the smell, like the smell of hell and the smell of the sea water. The fact that we would have been there too, it makes us just wonder like what we would have been doing right now, getting ready for the trip, like what we would have been doing, I don't know. It's just so sad because we've been like thinking about this trip for so long, especially with Chase. So many people wanted to meet Chase in Jamaica, and it was like
there was so much things that we had planned, and yeah, the day them I get closer, guys, and it bun me. It bun Daniel, it bun me too. So
especially now that we're locked up in the house and everything that's going on in America is kind of like if you wanted to get stuck somewhere, it would not be here.
Yeah, you know. Like right now, the only thing I can think of is right now some Jamaican KFC. Like me there in my mind right now, me just think about to eat a nice zinger sandwich.
I saw the lines for KFC during this whole thing when they had the curfew. For like, I think the curfew was at 3 o'clock. Yeah. And I saw the lines to KFC on Hope Road, and it was, I don't know if we'd even join that for the KFC.
Like. Right now, would I join the line at KFC right
No, you would not.
Right now, would I join like
you are so impatient.
Like, I think about the party then, brother.
That's what I want. I want a party.
Like from having parties over here, guys, and in Jamaica, it's totally different. We already compared that.
And when you're inside, the only thing you think about is food. Yeah. We've been eating around the clock and bun and cheese, oh my god. Chad mommy brought the best bun.
Nice and sweet and soft. Nice and soft. You know that bun just nice that you just think about
and it the whole time. And it even have those little things in it, which I don't like, but this one,
yeah, it had the fruits. So the fruit. That's what they call it, fruits, I guess they call it.
And she brought a tasty cheese, so I don't know. That bun is like done.
Yeah, like
it lasted like 2 days.
The way how the bun's so nice, you don't need the cheese.
Yeah, it was
it's so good. Like it was, when I think about the bun the whole day, and it just reminds me something of Jamaica. So back to it again, we did think about Jamaica.
We need a care package, guys. We need something with all the snacks, like cheesies. We need somebody send us a care package. Like there's cheesies, bun and cheese. What else?
Not even that, brother. The fruits them at Jamaica, like the sour sap them, brother. Like the nice juicy sour sap them. Even the Jamaican apple. Oh God, my belly right now. One of my neighbor them had a Jamaican apple tree, guys. Oh, it's OTET apple. Yeah. So basically, me used to thief it in front of the tree, you know?
Oh God.
One day he catch me and I said stop thief from the tree, but me thief the next day.
Oh God.
The apple them just nice, brother.
Yeah, that's the best apple.
We had a wedding to go to in May, and unfortunately because of certain circumstances,
we were gonna be there for almost two weeks.
Yeah.
And we had
it's like so depressing. We're gonna spend like a week in Kingston and then a week in Negril, and we just our minds was set in Jamaica, like our mood, like leading up to this, and then all of a sudden this happened, guys, and it's just like what make it worse is that we can't leave the house. Yeah. So it's like basically
we gotta go make up for it. So we can't even say, okay, we'll go to the beach here because everything is closed, and it just sucks because
it's so frustrating right now, guys. I love to be positive and stuff like that, but right now it's just the only thing I think about right now.
And you know what? In the beginning it was kind of like, okay, serious, but let's just get some stuff. But now it's kind of like, how long will we be like this? Because even if it's like clearing up, nobody's gonna want to travel. So it's like, we couldn't even postpone that trip because we don't even know when this is all going to clear.
It's very scary, right now it's very scary how the thing's set up right now. So this brings me to like, should we like move back to Jamaica when everything cool down, like everything settled down? Like, should we just stay in Jamaica and live in Jamaica?
That would be lovely to live like on the beach.
Like even smelling.
Let Chase run up and down.
All I want to do is smell the hell water, you know. That's all I want to do right now.
I just want to let Chase go in the backyard and play and like have that childhood of not being locked up in the house like we are right now.
Yeah, right now it's like so bad right now. And
you don't even want to go, like if you see somebody walking down the street, you want to walk on the opposite side because you just want to stay far from people.
Yeah.
And like growing up like in our childhood, like it was not like that.
Yeah, well, me up on the road, I played cricket.
I was inside watching TV.
I was playing cricket by myself. Like I used to play cricket by myself, guys. Don't ask me how.
I used to play,
yeah, I used to play cricket. We used to even get like write down the scores and stuff like that too. Yeah, man.
You're weird.
When I grew up in Jamaica, guys, me used to just love go outside. Like outside was a thing. Here, people are like more inside, and this is like a perfect thing for them now.
And this now is like going to make it worse.
Worse, yeah.
Because I just don't feel like people are going to go back to how things were. And I don't want Chase to be inside. I want Chase to be outside, playing, getting dirty. I want him to just live that kind of childhood. Like also in Jamaica, like when you have sports day. Like sports day was a thing. Like here, it's still there, but it's like not like Jamaica.
It's not like Jamaica. Not like Jamaica.
Like everybody's parents were there.
Soup, pressure. Soup, pressure. Who under pressure? Mercy. Yeah, man, no mercy on my team right now.
Sports day was like your parents there. Even if you come in last, like everybody was there. You have lineman spoon race. Like you have shoes lace, the tie shoes lace.
You sound like you come last no time.
No.
Yeah, you're probably
I remember one time somebody, like I was running and a boy, it was girls against boys, and one of the boys tripped me.
Yeah, him like you?
No. I don't
know. You talk to him?
No. I was in like prep school. I was like in grade 3.
Not trust woman here?
No.
Guys, yeah, so like right now the whole thing, comment down below guys, would you move back to Jamaica?
And comment down below if you're living in the US, Canada, UK,
how are you guys
doing? What you miss the most?
Yes, what you miss about Jamaica or anywhere from the Caribbean.
Yeah, where you come from, what you miss most in this time, especially when you can't be out and you can't like do other things. Like what are you missing the most?
Like the most like right now me I just think about every food in Jamaica. That's all I think about right now. And we used to enjoy it and go to like all the casinos in Jamaica, you know, those things are like entertainment, the clubs, bro. Yeah, when we have a club.
TGI to drink before you go to the club.
Get that chug and drink that chug.
Even the parties, they're like way better.
Yeah, even the parties and oh god.
I remember we went to when we finally went back to Jamaica after a while. You don't remember?
Oh,
and we went to TGI and we had like. We drank and whatever, and I went to the club after. The next day we were supposed to go to your daddy's race. I caught food poisoning though. Yes, I don't know, something, but Chad was like vomiting on the side of the road. And we had to go back home and it was just a disaster. Yeah, it was really bad. And then the next day was another race day and we actually went. Yeah, we went to which is nice too. So, you know, I made up for it, you know. I actually slept that whole Saturday. I had to sleep that whole... I remember that day that was really bad. I think it was food poisoning, but I don't know. You know, and also the alcohol get to me too. Yes, because you know what? The drinks in Jamaica are way stronger than the ones here. Because you know them dilute the thing over here. Yeah. They put a lot of water. I don't know about the water, but hashtag them put water right stronger in Jamaica. Alright guys, love you guys. Thank you guys for your love and support. This is a quick update right now guys. And this is why we've been, you know, posting less videos. And you guys can go check out the second channel down below right now because we'll be posting more on that channel. I'm going to do lives on that channel Sundays and one day during the week. Yeah. But if you want to check out the lives, we have some that we already did. And you guys can watch them. Our next one should be maybe Friday.
And then we also will be doing a video on there as well. We're actually working on a video. We're still working on the intro because the way how things are set up right now, we can't really do anything because we want to do more stuff.
Yeah.
And mostly Chase videos will be on there, guys. So if you guys love baby Chase, go ahead and subscribe. If you want challenges and stuff like that, go ahead and subscribe down below right now. And love you guys. Thank you guys for your love and support. We are going to do notification shout out time. First notification shout out goes to
Shanique Thorpe.
Big up your damn self. You're gonna go right here. The second notification shout out goes to
Jordana Bailey.
Big up your damn self. You're gonna go right here. The third and final notification shout out goes to
Nikisha Puran.
Big up your damn self. Go right there, right there, right there. Thank you guys for your love and support. If you want to be a part of the notification gang, notification squad, notification notification Jamaica, notification for anywhere from the Caribbean right now, comment down below right now. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like button, and you get a shout out in the next video.
And stay at home so we
stay
can
safe, guys.
Get rid of this thing that's destroying our lives.
It's a mad me. I tell you, it's a mad me, it's a mad me. Like literally, it's a mad me now. Like me tired to watch movie. Me tired to watch movie.
If everybody stays home and does everything right, we can be out soon.
Yeah, and you guys will see more videos. Alright, make sure you guys subscribe to this channel as well. And yeah, another time is another time. We love you guys, and you know,
peace out.
Peace.